What if we told you that some of the most breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and rich histories in the world are tucked away in cities you might not expect? Welcome to the Global Yard, and today we're taking you on an exciting journey through Pakistan's top 5 cities, each offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that will leave you eager to pack your bags. Whether you are a history buff, food lover, or adventurer, Pakistan has something for everyone. Let's dive into these incredible cities and discover what makes them so special. Starting with the cultural heart of Pakistan, Lahore is a city that captivates anyone who visits. Known for its rich history and architectural wonders, Lahore is home to some of the most important landmarks in the country. The magnificent Badshahi Mosque, built in the 17th century, is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture and one of the largest mosques in the world. Just a short walk away is the Lahore Fort, a sprawling complex filled with courtyards, gardens, and intricate buildings. Both these sites transport visitors back in time to the grandeur of the Mughal Empire. Lahore is also famous for its lively walled city, where you can explore narrow streets filled with bazaars, historic homes, and vibrant street life. And of course, food is a massive part of the Lahore experience. The city is famous for its street food, with dishes like nahari, a slow-cooked meat stew, halim, a savory porridge, and the delicious butter chicken being local favorites. For those with a sweet tooth, Lahore's gulab jamun, deep-fried dough balls soaked in syrup, is an absolute must-try. The best time to visit Lahore is during the spring and autumn months, from March to May and October to November, when the weather is mild and the city's parks and gardens are in full bloom. Next, we head to Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. Unlike the hustle and bustle of Lahore, Islamabad offers a more serene and modern atmosphere. The city is known for its well-planned layout, lush greenery, and impressive landmarks. One of the most popular attractions is the Faisal Mosque, which is the largest mosque in Pakistan and one of the largest in the world. The mosque's modern, minimalist design stands out against the stunning backdrop of the Margalla Hills, making it a peaceful place to visit. For nature lovers, a trip to Damana Ko in the Margalla Hills is a must. From here, you get a panoramic view of the entire city, especially beautiful during sunset. The Pakistan Monument, shaped like a blooming flower, is another highlight, offering both a museum and stunning views of Islamabad. When it comes to food, Islamabad has a mix of local and international cuisine. One must try the chicken karahi, a flavorful dish cooked with tomatoes, green chilies, and a blend of spices. Islamabad's food scene also includes traditional dishes like paya, a slow-cooked broth made from goat or cow hooves, and sikh kebabs, made with minced meat and spices, cooked over a flame. The best time to visit Islamabad is between February and April, or September and November, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for outdoor activities. Next on the list is Karachi, Pakistan's largest and most populous city. As the country's main seaport and financial hub, Karachi offers a dynamic blend of modern life and historical charm. One of the key attractions here is Clifton Beach, where you can relax along the Arabian Sea, enjoy camel rides, or try out some local snacks from vendors along the shore. Another must-see in Karachi is Mohata Palace, a beautiful historical building that now functions as a museum, showcasing art and cultural artifacts. For a taste of Karachi's colonial past, head to Frere Hall, a stunning building surrounded by lush gardens that hosts art exhibits and cultural events. Karachi is also a food lover's paradise, with a diverse range of dishes influenced by the city's melting pot of cultures. You simply cannot leave Karachi without trying biryani, a flavorful rice dish cooked with meat and spices, or indulging in halim, a thick stew made with meat, lentils, and wheat. Street food is also incredibly popular in Karachi, with favorites like bun kebab and gola ganda, a colorful shaved ice dessert. The best time to visit Karachi is between November and March, when the weather is cooler and perfect for exploring the city. Now we move to Peshawar, one of the oldest cities in Pakistan and a place steeped in history and tradition. Peshawar's Kissa Khwani Bazaar, known as the Storytellers Market, has been a hub for merchants and travelers for centuries. Here, you'll find bustling stalls selling spices, textiles, and handicrafts. The market is also a great place to sample the city's famous chapli kebabs, made from minced meat, mixed with spices, and grilled to perfection. Another key attraction in Peshawar is the Peshawar Museum, which houses an impressive collection of artifacts from the Gandhara civilization, including Buddhist sculptures and relics. For those interested in history, this museum provides a fascinating glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. The ideal time to visit Peshawar is during the spring and autumn months, when the weather is more comfortable for exploring the city's outdoor markets and historical sites. Finally, we arrive at Multan, known as the City of Saints. Multan is famous for its stunning Sufi shrines, including the shrine of Bahauddin Zakaria and the shrine of Shah Rukn Alam, both of which attract thousands of pilgrims each year. These shrines are not only religious sites, but also architectural masterpieces with intricate tile work and beautiful domes. Multan is also known for its mangoes, which are considered some of the best in the world. If you visit during mango season, typically from June to August, you'll be treated to some of the juiciest and sweetest mangoes you've ever tasted. The best time to visit Multan is from November to March, when the weather is mild and the city's landmarks are at their most beautiful. As we wrap up our journey through Pakistan's top cities, it's clear that this country offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Have you visited any of these cities, or are they on your travel bucket list? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to The Global Yard and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting travel guides. As the saying goes, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the next adventure.